Stop looking at my calendar, Chris.
Oh, with my virgin eyes.
You can't peek it next month.
You may not be around next month.
You ready for some pocket fish?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Let's split it up. Over there. Are your hands clean?
Nope.
All right, that's all right.
Well, thanks.
You're welcome.
I'm trying to see if I can get these front pins to unlock and crank it up.
Yeah, I can't really do a whole lot until he gets that slide out though. That's the problem.
Prevo charged you $30,000 to fix your slides, and they're still broken. The good news is, you have 5 new air conditioning units, so you can stay cool. Ain't that right?
Yes.
Okay.
Does this have hot water in it too? Or is it going to have
No,
just a...
just the one. So that switch is going to be on this piece here in the corner.
Beautiful.
And then you hit the button and some water comes through this valve.
Gotta get the dip switches for zones and for the furnace, aqua hot. It's almost Thanksgiving. Sweating like a pig. Gotta love Arizona, right?
Hoping that slide comes out right now.
So here it is installed. We have a switch that turns on the water here. Then you dump. And that's that. Space saver.
It's okay. Teamwork makes the dream work. You want to hold my hand?
Hold my hand.
Okay. Done. Turn it on. No, I'm just kidding.
Send it.
All right, that one's cinched down. I just need to tighten those bolts on that one.
I need. You got a couple more?
Mm-hmm. And then the rear is separate, right? It's different.
Yeah. Single zone. I'll take care of that one. You can just put these back together.
But we gotta fit a controller inside of there.
Yeah, it fits up in the box.
Okay. Just get those bolts on there.
Michael?
Michael bolt on.
Michael?
I celebrate his entire collection.
Man, when he sings "When a Man Loves a Woman," it brings a tear to my eye.
I have to say,
I'm a huge fan.
I'm a huge fan. I mean, I celebrate his entire collection.
So what exactly do you do here?
here?
I'm a people person! I swear!
What the hell is wrong with you people?
He's working on another heart attack.
Jump to conclusions, Matt.
You get it? You get it? You jump to conclusions.
This is a terrible idea.
It's like the take a penny, leave a penny jar. Except we're just taking lots of little pennies.